God help me deliver while I'm a lizard in the blizzard, smoking on Swissers. I'm a man with whiskers in the dark room with the mic on tune. My energy brings light, and a soldier trained to fight and defend for God, to serve and protect the heavenly gates. What up, Pac? I can feel you in my lungs. These days on that smoking on that KK. Yeah. Back in my mind on the yard, I be meditating and shit, while I be writing some shit to release the demon that's at my throat. Shit, healing stream throw through my flow. You already know my broken heart, I surrender. Oh, born to suffer, never ever. Don't be afraid to fall, you said you were better before I could even remember. Love will make you feel better. Yeah, it will, baby. Your love is all I need, nothing less forever. Off in these streets, in this world we live in, it got us living wicked and dangerously. I can see it in my eyes when I go to bed at night. The door is always open, but you gotta get it right. Taking this time to do it wise. When you wake up, take your dogs outside. Look up to the sky, there's his blue eyes. When you look into the light, I standing on the insides before you turn off all the lights. It's just a matter of how many times you try, yeah? Back to my meditating shit, here it go, Before I ever had these flashing lights in your presence, my heart finds its paradise as I'm looking for a presence. I could be your friend until the end of time. God's got you, and you are mine. On the highest of design, I'm down for your love. Every time I'm out here on grind, even when I'm right by your side, all I am feeling is I am down for your love, and it's killing. I see the signs at times, ain't no fucking lie. When I'm high all the time, taking a glance at life, that's how I live my life, aight? In your love, my broken heart truly shines. I see the pain in your eyes, the heart of yours, and all of my rhymes. It's a matter of pride, open up wide. I'm coming and I'm here to stay. Bitch, get out your head and get your shit straight and come back home. We blessed, we getting the shit right, fuck what they say. I'ma treat you better than any other dude that you said you had. I ain't shitting on nothing, you know I'm that boss, baby. I want you by my side, come and find me in the dark. Give me and giving me what I like. Now that's what I'm talking about, now give me mines, and all my words alright. It's just a matter of pride, open that bitch nice and wide. Thank you God for helping opening up my eyes. Yeah, 573 for life.